From transportation to safety, this time the Lagos State Government has reiterated its commitment to create a safer and conducive working environment for its workforce within the state. The Secretary to the State Government, Mrs. Folashade Jaji, made this known at the second Lagos Occupational Safety and Health Conference, where she emphasized the importance of health insurance in workplaces.
It's the second Lagos State Occupational Safety and Health Conference to mark 2022 World Safety Day.
Safety and health culture.
The Secretary to the State Government, Folashade Jaji, top government officials from the Ministry of Health, Physical Planning and Urban Development, Special Duties and Intergovernmental Relations, as well as the Safety Commission, are gathered at the landmark event center, Victoria Island, to deliberate on how to improve safety and health culture in the workplace.
Everyone needs to imbibe safety culture to prevent accidents in our place of work, schools, and in public places. If safety is a joke, then death is the punchline. Don't be hasty when it comes to safety. Safety is more important than convenience. Broken tools can be replaced, but when you're gone, you can never be replaced. Safety at home, personal hygiene, food hygiene, kitchen hygiene, because we all know a spill, a slip, a hospital trip. Safety at school, it's vital to a child's development. When parents and teachers are teaching children on safety culture, they are saving the leaders of tomorrow. Yes, you are saving the leaders of tomorrow. Safety at work, employers need to have laid down rules for their workers to prevent pain and suffering, loss of life, of strife, loss of income, of struggle.
The growing number of work-related accidents topped the agenda, and the Director General of the Safety Commission wants efforts put into curbing the COVID-19 pandemic to be sustained for a safer Lagos State.
As we speak, across the world, 6,300 people die every day from workplace-related accidents. Some of them lead to fatalities that we call deaths. Over the last 2 years, we've had the COVID-19 pandemic. It's ravaged the world. But I can proudly say that Lagos State Government, led by Mr. Governor and the members of ESCO, took this head on. It became apparent to curb the wave of its transmission and resultant facilities and fatalities. All levels of government, non-governmental organizations, the health sector, workers, employers of labor, civil societies, amongst others, had to be mobilized and sensitized. The collaborative efforts of all stakeholders contributed immensely to the current reduction in the number of COVID-19 infections and related deaths worldwide. The lessons learned from this effective collaboration and participation leading to the global stemming of the pandemic informed the theme of this conference. Let's act together to build a positive safety and health culture. Let's act together to build a positive safety and health culture. We believe that by working together is the only way that we can indeed deepen safety practices across the state and by extension, the nation. But it's not easy, it takes vision. And the vision of creating a safe and healthy work environment in Lagos can only be achieved through effective dialogue and active participation in the development, formulation of occupational safety and health frameworks, policies and strategies. It is only when stakeholders are carried along, are connected and engaged with in the development of these systems that they can effectively connect with such policy documents.
Meanwhile, the Office of Education Quality Assurance is appealing to individuals to report any case of child abuse in the state.
Over the past 2 years, the Ministry of Education, through the Office of Education Quality Assurance, Domestic Sexual Violence Agency, Lagos State Safety Commission, and Ministry of Health have continuously collaborated to create key documents like the prevention and management of COVID-19 in educational institutions, which has been institutionalized in all educational institutions within the state, and of course, emergency guidance for public and private schools within the entire state. In addition to that, we also have, in collaboration with DSVA, we've created a safeguarding and child protection course that is 4 hours long, certified, where over 6,000 teachers and school leaders have taken the course, and over 10,000 are registered and have started the course. I use this opportunity to remind us all that under the Safeguarding and Child Protection Policy of Lagos State, which does have a multi-MDA approach, that every single person here, everyone has a mandated responsibility under law to serve as a mandated reporter for any suspected or confirmed cases of child abuse, which includes neglect. This is all part of the continuous effort that would help to put an end to all safety hazards in Lagos State.
Secretary to the state government takes to the stage emphasizing the importance of safety measures at the workplace as she once again appeals to residents to key into the state health insurance scheme in case of emergencies.
This platform provides us with an opportunity to discuss ways we can further promote the prevention of occupational accidents, whilst also enhancing social dialogue towards a culture of safety and health. This annual global event is to raise awareness and promote the entrenchment of safe practices in workplaces in order to prevent the occurrences of accidents and diseases, and to ensure that employers of labor take seriously the health and safety of their employees. In Lagos, through the Lagos State Safety Commission, we're ensuring that every workplace observes standard global safety procedure, and employers of labor are severely punished when these procedures are compromised. The safety and well-being of workers remains paramount to our government, as workers serve as the very foundation for achieving the major objectives of the themes agenda of this administration. A working environment that is risk and hazard-free promotes efficiency, productivity, and stimulates economic growth and development to ultimately create the greater Lagos of our dreams. We will continue to ensure inclusion in the development and review of safety legislations, programs, policies, and regulatory frameworks. Let me use this opportunity to emphasize the importance of health insurance scheme in the workplace. In light of the global health issues that have occurred in the past few years, it has become imperative that every employer of labor provides a form of health insurance for employees to take care of health emergencies, as well as regular health checkups. We have developed the Lagos State Health Scheme to achieve universal health coverage for the teeming population of Lagos State residents. The good news is that the Lagos State Health Insurance Scheme is open to all residents and all employers of labor for the benefit of their employees, and not only for employees of the Lagos State government.
As the campaign for workplace safety continues, so does the state government's assurances of maintaining global safety procedures across the state.